Have you ever bought a tiny houseplant and wished it would grow into a lush, jungle-like masterpiece? The good news is that some indoor plants grow surprisingly fast when given the right care. In just a few months, these plants can produce new leaves, long vines, and beautiful greenery that completely transforms your living space. Today, we're counting down 12 of the fastest-growing indoor plants that are easy to care for, beginner-friendly, and guaranteed to make your home look greener in no time. Be sure to stay until the end, because the last plant grows so quickly it might surprise you. 1. Golden Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Golden Pothos is one of the fastest-growing and easiest indoor plants you can own. Its heart-shaped green leaves, decorated with golden variegation, create beautiful trailing vines that can grow several feet in a single year. It thrives in bright, indirect light, but also tolerates low-light conditions, making it perfect for homes and offices. Water only when the top inch of soil feels dry, and avoid overwatering. Regular pruning encourages fuller growth, while occasional fertilizing during spring and summer helps produce even longer vines. Whether displayed in a hanging basket or climbing a moss pole, Golden Pothos quickly fills empty spaces with vibrant greenery. 2. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plants are famous for producing baby plantlets that dangle gracefully from long stems. These fast growers can double in size within a single growing season when given proper care. They love bright, indirect sunlight and evenly moist soil. Unlike many houseplants, spider plants recover quickly if you occasionally forget to water them. Mature plants continuously produce new offsets that can easily be propagated into new plants. Their arching green and white striped leaves create an elegant, fountain-like appearance that's perfect for shelves and hanging baskets. 3. Heartleaf Philodendron. Heartleaf Philodendron is another incredibly fast-growing vine that's perfect for beginners. Its glossy, heart-shaped leaves grow rapidly, especially during spring and summer. This plant tolerates lower light better than many tropical species, but grows fastest in bright, indirect light. Keep the soil lightly moist without allowing it to become soggy. Trim long vines regularly to encourage bushier growth. With minimal care, it can quickly create a lush indoor jungle effect, making it one of the most rewarding houseplants to grow. 4. Tradescantia, or inch plant. Tradescantia is loved for its colorful purple, green, silver, and pink foliage. Under bright light, it grows incredibly fast, often producing several inches of new growth every week during the growing season. The stems root easily wherever they touch soil, making propagation almost effortless. Pinching back the growing tips keeps the plant compact and encourages branching. Its vibrant colors make it one of the most eye-catching indoor plants available. 5. Monstera deliciosa. Monstera deliciosa is famous for its large, split leaves and tropical appearance. While young monsteras start small, they quickly produce larger leaves and thicker stems under bright, indirect light. Provide a moss pole for climbing. Water when the soil begins to dry, and fertilize monthly during active growth. As the plant matures, each new leaf becomes larger and develops more dramatic, natural holes, giving your home a luxurious rainforest feel. 6. Swiss cheese vine, Monstera adansoni. Unlike its larger cousin, Monstera adansoni grows as a fast-climbing vine. Its unique perforated leaves create an exotic look, while the vines can extend several feet each year. It enjoys warm temperatures, moderate humidity, and bright, indirect light. Give it a trellis or moss pole for vertical growth, or let it cascade beautifully from a hanging basket. Regular watering and occasional feeding keep it growing vigorously. 7. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema. Although known for being low maintenance, many Aglaonema varieties grow surprisingly quickly in warm indoor conditions. Their colorful leaves feature combinations of green, silver, pink, or red, depending on the variety. They tolerate lower light than many houseplants, but produce the fastest growth in medium to bright indirect light. Their resilience makes them ideal for beginners wanting fast results with minimal effort. 8. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. Peace lilies don't just grow attractive, glossy foliage. They also reward you with elegant white flowers. Given consistent moisture, warm temperatures, and bright, filtered light, they produce frequent new leaves and gradually become larger, fuller plants. Their ability to signal thirst by gently drooping makes watering easy for beginners. Healthy peace lilies quickly become impressive statement plants that brighten any room. 9. Arrowhead plant, Syngonium potaphyllum. Arrowhead plants begin as compact houseplants, but soon develop long climbing or trailing vines. Their arrow-shaped leaves continuously emerge in shades of green, cream, pink, or white, depending on the cultivar. They appreciate bright, indirect light, regular watering, and occasional pruning. As they mature, they become fuller and more dramatic, making them excellent choices for indoor plant collections. 10. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. Rubber plants are among the fastest growing indoor trees. Their thick, glossy leaves and sturdy trunk create an elegant, modern appearance. Place them near a bright window with filtered sunlight and water once the topsoil begins drying. During active growth, they frequently produce large, new leaves that unfurl dramatically. With proper care, a small rubber plant can become an impressive indoor tree within just a few years. 11. English ivy, Hedera helix. English ivy produces long cascading vines that grow rapidly indoors with sufficient light. It's perfect for hanging baskets, wall planters, or climbing decorative supports. Bright, indirect light, moderate watering, and cool indoor temperatures help maintain vigorous growth. Regular trimming keeps the vines dense while encouraging new branching. Its classic appearance makes it a timeless indoor favorite. 12. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas, Zamiofolia. The ZZ plant may not produce long vines, but it sends up sturdy new shoots that grow rapidly once established. Every new stem emerges taller and fuller than the last, creating an increasingly lush appearance. It's incredibly drought-tolerant, survives low light, and requires very little maintenance. With patience and proper care, each growth cycle produces dramatic new stems that make the plant look significantly larger than before. Growing a beautiful indoor jungle doesn't have to take years. By choosing fast-growing plants like golden pothos, spider plant, heartleaf philodendron, tradescantia, monstera, Swiss cheese vine, Chinese evergreen, peace lily, arrowhead plant, rubber plant, English ivy, and ZZ plant, you'll enjoy constant new growth and a greener home much sooner. Give them bright, indirect light, water wisely, feed them during the growing season, and they'll reward you with stunning foliage all year long. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more indoor gardening tips, plant care guides, and easy growing secrets. Thanks for watching, and happy growing!